Hello guys, in this video I'm going to tell about one beautiful app. If you are the user of TikTok, this video will be very useful to you. Before going to see that app, I want to tell you that please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon to get the notifications in case if I put any video in the YouTube. Let's see friends, very recently the TikTok is banned here. So the peoples are trying to find the alternative app to use like TikTok. Today I brought the beautiful app. I personally realized this app was very amazing app in the Play Store. So far, different alternative apps has been launched in the Google Play Store. I found that this app was very amazing features. This app contain amazing features. I will show you that app name. The app name is Trill friends. Trill. You can open the Google Play Store and type Trill. This is the app you should use in your mobile. If you like, if you really like, you can use this app, friends. After watching this video, so this app is made in India. So the viewers has also given the beautiful and good rating for this app. I will show you the features of this app. Okay, so I have already installed this app to check how it was working, friends. This is the interface of this Trill app. You can choose the language which you preferred. So here they have given 8 languages, friends. You can see on the screen of this video. Okay, so today I have selecting English. If you prefer to use English language, you can able to see only English videos. So most of the users are publishing the videos in English here, friends. Here you can see different videos like recipes. If you want to learn to make some recipes, you can watch this video and try to make them in your house. If you are willing to learn the cooking, just you can open any one of this video to learn these simple recipes which is uploaded by different creators, beautiful creators. If you want to watch some movies or TV clips, you can click the movies and TV clips. Okay, if you prefer to learn the personal care life products, you can see here most of the creators have been reviewing the products like lipsticks, makeup related things. These informations will be very useful to the all. Okay, so men groomings. So here the most of the creators are giving the tips to the men's. These informations will be useful to all. Here you can also upload the videos by clicking the plus symbol, create the blog or vlog. Okay, so just click the plus symbol and upload the videos in your profile after creating the video. Say for example, I'm clicking one of this video, okay, to show the demo how it is working.
Alright, what's up trailers? Welcome back to my trail channel.
Okay friends, you have seen one clip of the Trill channel videos. You can create the channel and then upload your videos uh, in your account. If you want to buy something, you can buy from the Trill community stores. You can see Trill shop, makeup essentials, highs and lips, trendy topwear, men groomings, etc. Okay friends, I hope this video may be useful to you to use the app instead of TikTok. Thank you so much friends for watching this video.